Hi guys, welcome back. I just kept cleaning away on the pistons, and like I said, they are a bugger of a job. Um, I'm sure everyone's seen a lot of videos and so forth of what to do and what not to do and so forth and whatever. Um, to clean inside where the rings are, it's easy. You break a ring and use that. It's nice and sharp. Um, as for cleaning the top and whatever, I just got a little bit of a wire wheel on it and cleaned that because, let's face it, I'm not building a race engine or anything like that. This is just a basic rebuild and so forth for a normal engine for a normal car. And secondly, if most of us that are doing this don't have budgets, um, sorry, have budgets. So basically, if money wasn't an issue and so forth, would you just go out and have someone build you a brand new engine and so forth? But I'm not going to spend 2-3 hours cleaning one piston and so forth. So I've got a very soft brass wheel here, which all I'm going to do is just very lightly just get on the edge here and just brush it lightly. I've seen videos too, people say no, you can't touch the outside here and so forth. If they're right, that's fair enough. But like I said, I'm not going to spend 2-3 hours standing around cleaning up a piston and so forth. All I want to try to do is get the bulk of the stuff off. I'm not looking for a mirror finish or anything like that. It's just while they're out of their car, give it a clean. So we'll see how we go on this, and people that say you shouldn't do it and whatever, well, you can spend 2-3 hours doing it by hand and so forth. So anyway, let's get it going. I'm only doing it really light. I'm not trying to put any gouges or anything like that in it. There we go. I mean, I haven't taken like any material off or so forth from the actual piston other than the carbon itself. There's no gouges, there's nothing like that. And secondly, the tighter fit of this is going to be the rings anyway. So, as long as, my opinion, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Basically, I mean, as long as you don't just do massive grooves in here and so forth, for your basic rebuild engine and so forth, I'm happy with that. And like I said, I'm not going to spend 2-3 hours cleaning up a piston with by hand and using Scotch-Brites and stuff like that. So I tried it, spent an hour and a half on it, and basically didn't really accomplish anything. So this is the way I'm going to do mine. And you choose yourself whichever way is easier for you to do it, but I'll just show you the way I'm going to do this one. Okay, we'll do a few more. And that's basically it. Like I said, there's no gouges in it, there's nothing like that. But if you're rebuilding an engine and you just want to try to make life a bit easier, like I said, as long as you don't go like really hard at it, and just basically just feather it across the top, it cleans up nice and clean. I've got no gouges, I've got nothing like that. Like I said, some people say it's wrong and so forth and whatever, but this is the way I'm going to do this one. So anyway, ended up running all of them over the brass wheel and so forth. Like I said, I'm happy with that. I've done no damage to the outside here. All I've done is remove the carbon build-up and so forth. What I plan to do now is just soak them in a bit of diesel, leave them overnight, and probably clean them up tomorrow just to get rid of the rest of this stuff. I'm not going to be scrubbing away at it. So let's get them in the tank. So I just got the old tank out, haven't used it in about 10 years, so I just gave it a wash. Got a bit of diesel in here, so I'll just put these in, let them soak overnight and clean them up tomorrow. Alright guys, welcome back. I've had the Pistons soaking in here for about 2 days now. I've had so just left them soaking in there, so we'll just give them a bit of a brush up and just clean up inside the grooves a bit. Most of the carbon's all got out of it. Whatever's left will be pretty soft now, so they've all come up pretty good. I'm happy with that. I mean, they don't have to be spotless. I don't have no wear marks here that are rubbing in the cylinder or anything, so, and all the rubbish is out of the grooves for the rings, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Just keep going with the rest of them now.